So last year, someone really close to me lost their battle against cancer. His name was Matt. He was like my best friend for a while. I've known him since I was a baby. And I miss him. So he was always telling me that, could sing. He always told me that I could and that I could follow whatever I wanted. So I wrote a song. Here. Here it is. Matty dear, I miss you. You wouldn't believe what you put me through. Often cry, but you have to die. You were young, happy, and so strong. I never saw your pain, you hid it so well. Suffered through, never asked for help. And then you finally fell. I wanna love you again, wanna hold you again, I want to see you again, I wanna feel your touch again. And I guess I need to say goodbye. Baby boy is young forever. Baby boy has lost his battle. Baby boy is on my mind all the time. My heart will never be whole again. Never be whole again. 'Cause I wanna hold you again, wanna see you again. I wanna feel your touch again. I don't wanna say goodbye. Oh, you taught me how to dance. Now I can't even stand without falling on my knees all over again. I hear your voice in my head, whispering to me like in her thoughts, and I whisper your name before I go to bed every night. I cry your name every night, 'cause I wanna dance with you again. I wanna try and understand. I wanna fall in love with you all over again. And maybe one day, we're lucky enough to have the chance. I wanna hold you again, I wanna see you again, I wanna feel your touch again. I wanna hold you again, see you again, touch you again. I wanna love you again. Matty, I miss you so much, and we all love you. So, no one talks to each other anymore, except for me and Carla. Besides that, everyone, how much it's all been a major mess. We all miss you so much.